just not going to do my hair for this video because it just doesn't want to participate with me today. It's really annoying the hell out of me. It's really stressing me out. And yeah, you know what else stresses me out? New York City, the place I live in. Let me just start by saying that I have not found my forever home in New York City yet. I'm only 20 years old. I'm really not supposed to find a forever home anyways. Most people that live in New York City tend to move around a lot. You live in new areas of the city, you experience new things. And so for me and Paige, my roommate, you guys know her and love her just as much as I do, we needed that change. So that brings me to the main point of this video. I'm moving. Right now we live on the Upper West Side of Manhattan and I do really love it here and it definitely holds a very special place in my heart. And this apartment I live in is such a great little Upper West Side apartment. At least it was. This place looks really pretty and beautiful when you first walk into it, but after living here for a year, let's just say it has some undesirable personality traits.
Look what Christina just sent me under our sink. We 100% have mice.
Accommodations, Paige needs new accommodations, so we're moving. And I know you guys are probably wondering, well, where in Manhattan are you guys moving to? And to be completely honest, I have no clue yet. Apartments in Manhattan go like water. It's currently the end of July when I'm filming this, and we are looking for a beginning of September move-in, so nobody wants us right now. All the realtors and brokers are looking for August 1st move-ins or even second week of August move-ins. They don't want a person that isn't gonna move in and pay bills until September. They'll take the first person that's gonna offer money to them. So we really can't truly look for a place until maybe the second week of August.
Okay, update. After I filmed this video, I found a place, so...
But last year, when I moved into this apartment, I wanted to do like a big moving kind of series and I never did it. So this year, I'm doing it. And that brings me to what today's video is, my New York City apartment detox. I've discovered over the past few weeks that I have a lot of things. And a lot of these things I don't even use or I don't even need, and it's just gonna create a bunch of clutter in my new place, so I just need to get rid of it. So today I decided I would kick off this little moving series, whatever you wanna call it, with a little decluttering my apartment video. It's gonna be vlog style. I'm just gonna have some music over it. There might be some voiceovers, some talking parts, and you know, I don't even know, it's gonna be like a mix of things. But now that you get the gist of it, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and let's get started with my decluttering journey. All right, so I guess we could start with like what's going on behind me.
This is my bed. It's down right now. You guys know that I have a Murphy bed. And I know it looks ridiculous. It looks like I just have this little like galaxy blanket on top with some sheets, and that's because that's exactly what it is, because my regular comforter, my duvet cover is in the wash. But I have my laptops on here, a stuffed animal, some pillows, and yeah. These are my drawers. You guys have seen all this in the apartment tour. And then this is my closet, which my closet obviously has a lot going on. Keep in mind, guys, I literally left my apartment exactly how it is this morning after like doing things, so I know it's gonna look a little crazy, but it's okay because we're cleaning and decluttering anyways. That's what this video is. So that's my breakfast. It's an acai bowl. And then this is my little desk space. Obviously needs to be decluttered. That is my garbage can with some books on top of it, and that's because that's what I use to you know, film the intro to this video. So yeah, anyways, that's the corner, and yeah, that's my room. I also have this. Hello there. This is my jewelry. This is my laundry that I'm doing right now, and then I do have laundry in the laundry. That are things that I hang dry. This is Paige's room, so we're not gonna touch that. This is my bathroom, and hello there. Bathroom, 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 bathroom. This is my living room right now, and I know you guys are probably like, what the hell is going on? This is stuff that I'm packing for tour this weekend. This is just my extra packing stuff because I had to take that out of that. That's new Fabletics stuff I got sent to me, and that's also new Fabletics stuff. And then that's some new stuff that I got sent to me also from a brand called Bouquet. And yeah, that's what's going on here. But this is what my kitchen looks like right now. It actually looks pretty like neat and dandy, so I don't think we're gonna touch it too much, but yeah. What I wanna do is start with decluttering of my room. So I actually do have a
oh my god, I'm so yellow again.
So like I was saying, I have a box. This box, I got some stuff in this morning, and it's going to be the designated declutter box. Basically, everything that I want to get rid of and declutter, I'm gonna throw in this box. Actually, this box might be like too tiny. I do have another one though. All right, new box. Much better. This one is a little bit bigger. This will fit some more stuff. So all my decluttering items and stuff will be thrown in here. So I'm gonna carry this into my bedroom and we're gonna get started. Alright guys, so we are starting in my closet. It is voiceover time. I'm editing this video, and you know, a lot of these video clips are gonna be like super sped up and stuff because this took a long time to do. But right now, I'm just going through all my clothes in my closet. I'm kind of clearing things out, seeing what I want to keep, seeing what I want to get rid of. I'm going through some accessories also. I'm gonna go through my shoes. I'm gonna go through my bags, just kind of go through everything, declutter it, and yeah, that's basically it for my closet, and then we'll move on.
Alright, so this was my apartment, not my apartment, my closet. This is my closet detox, and it already fills up this entire bin. So I'm gonna put this bin in my kitchen, and then I'm gonna have to get one of the other boxes to put shit in. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so we have our box. What I'm thinking of doing is clearing off my bed, putting it up, and then switching the camera angle. That way that I can do this set of drawers. Yeah, I'll do that now.
Alright, so now I'm going through my drawers, and in here I keep a bunch of more clothes. In here is just like pajamas, hangout clothes, jeans, that sort of stuff. So I'm just going through all that, and then of course I keep my underwear, my bras, and my socks in there too. So I'm getting rid of a bunch of those because I bought like a bunch new like bras and underwear and socks and everything the other day. I was like really feeling myself, and I was like, I need new things. So in this, I'm clearing out the old to bring in the new. And then over here you guys can see I'm just going through my jewelry rack. This is behind my doors where I keep all my jewelry, just kind of getting rid of all my random shitty jewelry and stuff. So yeah.
Alright guys, so I did my drawers, I did my jewelry. This box is getting pretty filled, but I'm going to conquer my desk next.
Alright, now it is desk time. I am going through my desk. I keep all my makeup in one drawer and like electronics in the other, and I'm kind of just cleaning this up, decluttering, you know, whatever. There wasn't too much to declutter from my desk, but yeah.
My desk is now done also, and that like concludes my room because there's like nothing over here. It's just my window. And I have like some fan art over there and stuff, but I like to keep that stuff. I'm gonna keep it there because I'm gonna bring it with me. Oh, you know what? One more thing. I have like extra like stuffed animals and a bunch of stuff over here. So I'm gonna bring some home. All right, so I'm thinking it's time to move on to the next clutter box, which is this one. And we're gonna move into my bathroom now because I have a lot of things in my bathroom, so let's go there.
All right, so now I'm going through my cabinet in my bathroom and then the cabinet under the sink as well. These parts fly by really, really quick because it's pretty easy to clear these out. Sorry, I'm getting tongue twisted. Anyways, going through the stuff that's in my shower also. I have this little shelf where I keep a bunch of stuff on, so going through that. And then I am going to go through stuff that is on my actual shower head, and yeah.
Alright guys, it's time to conquer my closet and my living room. So let's go.
Alright, next we are tackling my closet in my living room. This closet has just so much random crap in it. And then I'm going through my travel stuff, going through my rack, and oh my god, this is going so fast! I'm going through my kitchen stuff now. This is the cabinet where I keep my stuff. And then I'm gonna go through the cleaning supplies, see if there's like anything that's like empty or just anything we really need to get rid of. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize how fast I sped these clips up, guys. It's okay though, it's alright. If I slowed them down, this video would be way too long and way too boring. Okay, now I'm going through more little drawers and stuff in my closet, not in my closet, in my kitchen, clearing some stuff out that we definitely don't need, stuff that's been like sitting around for forever. And then I am going to go through my little food pantry. This is my side where I keep all my food, and then stuff above the fridge, and then going through stuff in the fridge. Oh my god, this is going so fast.
Alright guys, I know it does not look clean and organized in here, but I promise that I decluttered everything that I wanted to in here and in my bathroom. This is what my bathroom looks like right now. I know, still kind of looks a mess. In my room, see, there's just stuff everywhere. Everything looks a mess right now. But this is all of the stuff that I decluttered. Like literally, this is just so much. So what my next order of business is to go ahead and clean my entire apartment now that everything is decluttered, put everything back the way I want it to be, and then go through each of these bins and kind of sort them out by what is totally trash, what I want to donate, what I want to send back to my house on Long Island, and yeah. What is up guys? I'm sitting on my kitchen floor. I went and cleaned up basically my whole apartment. And now it's time where I'm going to go through all of these bins that I have here and sort them out by like category of things I want to like donate, things I want to ship back to like my house on Long Island, and then just things that are trash, and then maybe if there's like another category, then that will be the other category. So I'm gonna just go one by one, start with this box, and then make my way back. And let's see how I do.
All right, now, as I said, I'm kind of just going through the boxes and sorting things out by things I'm gonna donate, things I'm going to toss in the trash that are just like no good random things. And then of course the stuff that I want to bring back to my house on Long Island that maybe I don't want right now, but I might want in the future. I don't know. And that's basically all I am doing in this very moment.
Alright guys, I'm pretty much done. So over here in this box is all of the stuff that I want to go and sell to Buffalo Exchange, and then usually whatever I end up not selling at Buffalo Exchange, I'll give to Goodwill. So I have this, and I also have that Container Store bag right there. It's filled with stuff that has to go to Buffalo Exchange. So now I have even more stuff. So I'm gonna go there with a lot of things. This is just beauty products. I'm sending these back like home to Long Island, so my mom can pick at them, my aunts, my cousins, whatever. And then these two big boxes are going back to Long Island also. It's just stuff that I necessarily do not need with me in the city right now or anything, but I might want at a later time to put in like a different place, or I might want it during the winter. Like there's a heater in here, my MacBook thing, never know if I might need that. Yeah, so it's all organized now. I just need to figure out where I'm gonna put these boxes, and yeah. All right guys, I finally got all this shit together. So all this stuff is being shipped back to Long Island, and then everything in this gigantic box here is what I'm selling to Buffalo Exchange and giving to Goodwill. So I think it was pretty successful, except I can't go to Goodwill Buffalo Exchange right now because it is like 8 or 9 at night. I believe. I haven't even checked the time. I've been so like just crazy. Super late at night, so can't go there right now. And then tomorrow I'm leaving for some travels. I'll be gone for like a week and a half, so I can't go till I get back. Same with this stuff. Can't ship it till I get back, so it's literally just gonna have to chill in my living room till I return, but it's whatever. This blanket needs to find a home. I gotta put it in one of those like vacuum Ziploc bags, but for now it's chilling there. That's my travel blanket, so it's coming with me. And this is my actual comforter, my duvet, but my duvet cover is in the wash. All this stuff I didn't get to organize yet because this is all my new Fabletics stuff. I haven't even gotten to like really go through it yet, so I still want to go through it, still want to do a little like Instagram story haul sort of thing, so I gotta do that. But other than that, yeah, everything's like pretty much done, and my apartment is decluttered. All right guys, so I'm sitting in my living room now. It's like 9 p.m. and I am exhausted from the day. But on the bright side, we decluttered everything, so that is where this video ends. So I know this was like a super random sort of video. It wasn't like one of my more professionally put together ones, but I still hope you enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and stay subscribed to my channel, and make sure to follow me on all my social media accounts. My username is BeautyChickee, literally everywhere. Also, make sure to go and purchase your Tina cleanse Clarity Cleanser. The link is below. It's a great face cleanser. And of course, go follow Tina Skincare on Twitter and Instagram. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'm going to go and start editing this video probably, and yeah. So that being said, ciao ciao chickies.